How to delete TikTok story video. In order to delete TikTok story video, you can follow this guide step by step. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile picture, the round icon, and this will open your TikTok story if you have uploaded any. So I have just uploaded my TikTok story. Now you'll view it. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dots or more option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, you'll get to see delete or trash icon available there. Simply tap on the trash icon and delete it. Confirm by tapping delete again. And this story will be removed instantly and won't be visible to others anymore. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.